Hey, this is James with Turnkey Home Inspections. This is video number 2. We're starting off at the stack in the basement. First out, we're at the yard trap now. We're going to pull that. You can see we got some damage right here at the yard trap. The riser right there. In the clay line right now. We transition into a cast iron here in a little bit. Some chunks of pipe right there. Here's a cast iron clay connection. You can see the connection has failed there at the top. Recommend the cast iron, that portion of cast iron, be repaired or replaced. And it looks like we're also cracked right there, the bottom right, the cast iron. Nice size crack. Looks like probably leaking out of the pipe a little bit right there also. Top, looks like the top left got a crack. This looks like some scaling starting to chip away at the top right. I think that's just scale starting to break away at the top right. It could be a crack starting to develop. Possible crack at the top of the pipe. Looks like a small crack starting to develop. At the top again, maybe a small crack. Looks like a small crack at the very top of the pipe. Right there again, small crack at the top of the pipe. So you got water dripping down. Looks like a crack right there coming in at the top. Crack continues right there. So a lot of cracks at the top of the pipe, a lot of small cracking. Continues on right there. So I recommend cast iron to repair or replace. Clean out all the cast iron clean out right there. We had a damaged cap right there. You can see how it's all cracked. This whole cast iron stack is in really poor condition. So it's about time to replace that whole stack. And the cap was just barely hanging on. So definitely at least repair for that cap for the time being. So we definitely have some repairs, and the whole line, you know, we had that debris pipe past the trap we weren't able to get past, so recommend that be repaired, and then the rest of the line past that point also be inspected. So this does complete the inspection. Thank you.